In primetime news this evening, suspect in policeman's killing fatally shot.
Cuban eye care program plagued by backlog.
And from worst performing to model behavior, the story of the Denham Town Primary School. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, the results of the Business and Consumer Confidence Survey for the January to March quarter have been released. But guess what? There's hardly any change. I'll tell you about it and more in the Business Day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea to Spencer Darlington, he'll give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, a World Championship triple gold medalist headlines the marquee event for the upcoming Racers Grand Prix. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, we did have mostly sunny conditions affecting most of the island today, but we are expecting some shower activity tomorrow as well as on Thursday.
All right, thanks, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the primetime package. But before the break, here's the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what are your views on cockfighting?
Now, you can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Now, Herman, earlier we said that the model behavior, worst performing from model behavior was the Denham Town Primary. It's actually Denham Town High School. You don't want to miss that story. But please stay with us. The Primetime News returns after this break.